All right, so for question 18, a couple of things we want to do here, right? So we read through the first sentence. We want to write and solve an equation to find the width, right? So our goal is the width, that value of x, right? So basically find x. So up above other things we know, the volume is 2,205. So when we have a geometry question, generally have a picture, label the picture, and then write any formulas that you know. Got a picture, we've labeled the picture with everything that's possible. So let's write any equations that we need. So we have a box, a rectangular prism. We know that the volume of a rectangular prism is the length times the width times the height. Right, so a good kind of math skill to develop is that there are four unknowns in this equation: the volume, the length, the width, the height. So if we want to know one of them, like the width, I better know the values of the other three. In this case, we do. We got a volume, 2,205. We got a length, which is 21. Our width is unknown, so it's x. And we got a height, which is 15. So I can multiply these together. 21 times 15 is going to be 210 and 105. So that's going to be 315x. So then if I want to get the value of x, I could divide both sides by 315 to undo it. And 2205 divided by 315 is going to be 7 inches, because that was the units that we have. Now we want to be a little careful because, well, we weren't asked to find just the width. We were also then asked to find the surface area of the shape. So a couple of questions ago, I gave you a formula for the surface area, right? So if you just want to throw things into a surface area formula for a rectangular prism, it's 2 times the length plus width, plus the length times the height, plus the width times the height. So this would be the formula to use. Conceptually, which I think is the better way to understand things, we want to find the area of every face. So we know a couple of things, right? We know that this is now 7. So I have one face over here, this side of the box. If I look at this area, it's a rectangle that's 7 by 15. So this area is 7 times 15, 105, which means that this area is also 105. If I look at this front face, I have 21, I have a 21 on the bottom, and then I have a height of 15. So this rectangle would have an area of 21 times 15, which is going to be 315. And there's another 315 on the back, right? That back side of the rectangle. And then if I think about the bottom, which we can't really see, but would be like right here. So it's 21 by 7. So we multiply those together, we get 147. And that's also the area of the top. Right, so conceptually, to find this surface area, we have 2 times 147 plus 2 times 105 plus 2 times 315. And whatever that is going to be our area, right? So 294 plus 210 plus 630. So we're going to get 840. We're going to get 933. We're going to get 1133. 1134. What the? Where did a 3 come from? Right, so 1134, because that is clearly 4 square inches would be our surface area.